Okay, students, now we will start the sum number 2, which again has the same concept of velocity, acceleration, and distance. Okay, so now the question given is the velocity of a particle at time t seconds from commencement of motion is given by v equal to phi t minus t square plus v plus 4. So the solution we have, in the solution we have given value is what, v. So v equal to 5t minus t square plus 4. We know very well that what is v? V is dx by dt. Therefore, in place of v, we put dx by dt. Dx by dt equal to 5t minus t square plus 4. So now we do cross multiplication. Dx goes on this side. It becomes 5t minus t square plus 4 into bracket dt. We integrate on both sides to get the value of x, and x is the displacement or distance which is asked to cover in 3 seconds. So integrating on both sides, we have integral dx equal to integral 5t minus t square plus 4 into dt. Integration of dx is what? X equal to 5 is constant, t का इंटीग्रल होगा t स्क्वायर अपॉन 2, t स्क्वायर का होगा t क्यूब अपॉन 3. हाउ? बिकॉज वी अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला n x रेज टू n वाला फॉर्मूला. तो x रेज टू n का फॉर्मूला क्या है? x रेज टू n प्लस 1 अपॉन n प्लस 1. तो यहाँ पे 1 है, तो 1 प्लस 1 2 अपॉन 2 होगा. यहाँ पे 2 है, सो 2 प्लस 1 3 अपॉन 3 होगा. कांस्टेंट का क्या होगा? ओनली t प्लस c. नाउ दे आर सेइंग दैट initially the particle was at rest. Okay, so condition 1, initially the particle was at rest, therefore x equal to 0 when t is 0. So we put the value in equation 1. Put x equal to 0 and t equal to 0 in equation 1. So we get 0 equal to 0 minus 0 plus 0 plus c. Therefore value of c equal to 0. Therefore now x becomes 5t square upon 2, this equation, minus t cube upon 3 plus 4t plus c का value 0 है. They want how much distance does it cover in 3 seconds. Distance means x. So they want x when t equal to what? 3. तो x क्या होगा? 5. 3 का स्क्वायर अपॉन 2. इन प्लस ऑफ t पुट 3. 3 का क्यूब अपॉन 3 प्लस 4 into 3. So we get square is what? 9. 9 5s are 45 upon 2 27 by 3 is what? 9 plus 12. This is 22.5 plus 3. It becomes 25.5 meters. So value of x, that is distance, is equal to 25.5 meters. Okay, so I would like to repeat once again. The velocity of a particle at time t seconds from commencement of motion is given by v equal to phi t minus t square plus 4. How much distance does it cover in 3 seconds? It was initially at rest. V was given, v का formula dx by dt cross multiply integrating on both sides, dx का integral x, c constant आता है, when t equal to 0 x 0 दिया था, पुट करके c 0 आया, c का वैल्यू वापस इसमें पुट किया तो मुझे x मिला. अभी x I want at t equal to 3, so put in place of t 3 and solve the equation to get 25.5. Thank you students.